Attention! Now go for on the spot. Hiding. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't talk each other.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
Okay, stop.
And please say it along with me. We, the pillars of Chitrakoota educational vision, hereby take the pledge to never let our visions down. From now, we are detached from the world. We are here to serve our children. We seek God's grace for peace and patience.
By 8:40 you should be ready in your classrooms to come down, and it will be by 9:12 we'll finish so that you can go up and settle down for your classes. 9:15 your classes will start.
I'm the Vayu in charge, Vayu House in charge. So welcome all of you. And the teachers who will be with me are Shivanna sir, Srinivas sir, Mamta ma'am, Junior, Sakshi Veena ma'am, Parvati ma'am, M, Purnima ma'am and Nandini ma'am. So very happy to meet all of you, and we are going to have a lovely year this year.
Happy morning everyone.
Happy morning ma'am.
I am Uttara in charge of Jala House, and my team members are Leena ma'am, Srijit sir, Sailija ma'am, Komal ma'am, Rukmini ma'am, Rasudha ma'am and Shashi ma'am. Now I would like to request all my Jala House children to raise their hands. Thank you so much. I am very much sure that all of you are going to follow all the rules and regulations and gain positive points for our group. Isn't it? Yes. Thank you so much and all the best to each one of us. We are going to rock this year, isn't it? Yes. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದೀಪ್ತಿ. ನಾನು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೋಸಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸಪ್ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ರಶ್ಮಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಭಾರ್ಗವ್ ಸರ್, ಸೈಯದ್ ಸರ್, ಯಮುನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ರೇಖಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌದು, ಕೆಲವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಯಾವ ಹೌಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿನ? ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.
I am Neelambike. I am in charge of Banu House. So my team members are Ganesh sir, Swati ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Aparna ma'am, Mamta ma'am senior, Veena ma'am and Diksha Jagdish ma'am. So Banu House children, please raise your hands. Thank you. And I wish each and every one to participate. It's not only my house, for all the house. Let us have healthy competition. Okay? Let us practice and score very good marks. I wish you all the best. Are you all going to compete? Thank you children. Thank you everyone.
Yes children, you now know your in charge teachers, and you can see the full ground is full. It is completely full. So there is no place for the irregularities. So we don't want any irregularities. Clear? So that there will be a tough competition between all the houses to get the house of the year. Okay? So I don't want to see any irregularity, children standing in any irregularity line. No place is also there.
and then what we have to come up with some other things for the irregularity children. So we don't want that. Okay? So can I get your cooperation in this? Yes. Yes. This year we'll rock. Okay?